We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in this video I will show how you can see how many songs you have on Apple Music. So to begin, since apparently Apple hate their customer with all the passion that is available to them, if you'll go into the Apple Music itself, open your songs library, you'll not find a sane, convenient and easy way to just check how many songs you have in total. There is not like a statistic thing, there is not like some maybe notch or simply text information listed anywhere, unless we are talking about the playlists. And well, as far as the playlists go, you can see the amount of songs they have here, perfectly fine, but for some reason not there. But I would say there is a little workaround you can implement to actually see how many songs in the Apple Music you have in total. In order to do that, you will first need to download all songs from your Apple Music and well, cache them on your internal storage on your iPhone. And once again, since Apple apparently hates their customer or the consumer with extraordinary passion, with, well, you got me, I would assume. Here you cannot like just select and download everything. You can either, well, download songs one by one, or you can go into settings, then music, and here you'll need to enable the sync library toggle as well as automatic downloads toggle. Then you will need to wait until all your songs will be automatically downloaded. Whenever that happens, I have no idea, to be honest, how often do the Apple automatically download all your library and songs here. So just wait for some time, I know maybe a day or something like that. Probably they do this automatic things on a daily basis, I would assume. And here, once this happened and all your songs has gotten downloaded one way or another, now you can go into settings, general, then about songs, and here you'll find the total amount of songs that are downloaded. Thus, or hence, if you have downloaded all these songs from your Apple Music library, you will see the exact amount of, well, songs that populate your Apple Music library. So that's the little workaround I came up with. So if you have any better ways to check it, suggest them in the comment section below. But as far as this video goes, that'll be it, guys. So thanks for watching and bye bye.